Today I'm going to be taking you on a daily keto routine following my ketogenic, low-carb, high-fat lifestyle. So it starts early in the morning. I wake up to get my workout in before the day gets crazy. And so I mix up some exogenous ketones and electrolytes, and I get started on my fasted workout. Now, I have been doing this routine for quite a while, and working out first thing in the morning has been the best way for me to make sure that it gets done. It feels really good to get it done early, and then after my workout, I pop into my Instagram stories, and I'm going to share with you a few clips from this past week so you can see exactly what I do within my day. Make yourself a priority, put yourself first. Actually, having something to work towards, to achieve the next level is so good for us, all of us. And so having that thing that we're working towards, pushing towards, achieving a goal, something that you are focused on improving yourself, whether it's your personal development or your fitness, your nutrition, your business, whatever it is, it's so good for us to have something that we focus on every single day that's going to keep us on track to achieving something greater in our life. We are growth seeking. And so seek out that growth. Focus on that growth. You can do it, guys. I'm so proud of you all. Morning, guys. Just finished my workout. It's now 7:30 in the morning. So, my kids are up. My husband's handling that situation right now. I'm about to go relieve him of that. Remember, the very number one thing that is the most important thing is forming and building those habits so that you can maintain your results, you can improve your results, you can keep pushing yourself further into the next level. It all starts with the daily routine and the habits to follow the same routine you do during the week, over the weekend, and of course, make your rest day on a day that is best for you. I always do my rest day on Saturday. So Saturday is my day that I don't work out, but I do everything else exactly the same. I am ready to literally rock the day. I hope you guys understand how much power that you actually have over your life and over your future and the impact you have on this world and other people, because there's something special about every single one of us, and you guys are all here for a reason. So after my workout, I get my kids off to school and on the bus, and it's just me and Clara and Peter the rest of the morning. Today I decided to shake up a fat coffee, my favorite fat coffee, which includes collagen and MCTs and really high B vitamins. So sometimes I don't do intermittent fasting. And so on this day, this is an example of a day that I'm not doing intermittent fasting. So this is at 8 a.m. in the morning. And so I mix this up. I just shake it with hot coffee and some half and half. And then Clara does her coloring while I work in the morning until about 9:30. So I'm answering emails, I'm getting back to people. And then when I have a free moment that is all to myself, I like to do some meditation. So typically after I take a shower and I get ready for the day, I like to do about 20 minutes of meditation. And then I package up my sample kits for any orders that happened on my blog overnight and get those out the door. And so today we are having a very special meal that is one of my absolute favorites, and this is so easy to make. You literally steam some broccoli, add some mozzarella cheese, microwave it, and top it with some sour cream and my absolute favorite, everything but the bagel seasoning. And if you're someone who loves baked potatoes, this is perfect for you. And then I get some work in. As always, drink my water, lots and lots of water. My goal is a gallon of water every day. So I am following up with messages on YouTube. I am replying to and helping my team. All right, so I am testing out my blood ketones. I like to do this to see, it's always, I never thought I would be pricking my finger for a diet. It's not really a diet though, it's a lifestyle. So there's different ways to test your blood ketones, but I like to use a meter, one of these blood ketone meters for myself. And my blood ketones are at 1.3, which is great for ketosis, and I'm not fasted right now, so this is not my fasted number. And so, you know, that's good. It's good. I like to personally test my blood ketone levels at different times of the day, and just to make sure that something I'm consuming isn't like throwing me out of ketosis. Your ketone levels are going to be different at different times of the day. And the reason I use a blood ketone meter is because after you're fat adapted, the urine strips, they don't work anymore. So it's very helpful just to make sure that you're in ketosis and that you are doing everything right and following through with everything the right way, and you feel really good and it's not that bad. And one little trick, if you are doing it, you can like do the side of your finger instead of like the soft part, because it's not as painful doing it that way. So I just kind of keep track of that. I'll usually test like once a day just to like make sure, and sometimes not even every day. Every once in a while is fine too. So it just really depends on the day and how I'm feeling, just to confirm that everything is like, you know, going correct, and I didn't consume something that maybe had some hidden carbs that might have thrown me out of ketosis. It's really helpful to know those things, because obviously you don't want to be doing something in your daily routine that might be kicking you out of ketosis, right? The goal is to enhance and do the things that you need to do consistently over time that helps you reach your highest level of results and just live your best life. So I don't know if you guys saw my transformation video I uploaded last week, but if not, you should definitely check that out after this video. I went into some of the daily things that I do in my daily routine that have helped me lose not only the 60 pounds, but take it to the next level. And over time, the most important thing of this entire experience has been developing the habits of being able to continue the things that will move me forward. So I pretty much just came up with these bullet points, and I keep adding new ones to it as I make them a habit, and I keep improving and getting better and better. And that's the goal, is just to always be growing and pushing yourself a little bit more as you get comfortable, adding more to that list. So this is basically my routine that I try to go through every single day. You know, sometimes I miss some things. I'm not perfect, and that's okay. So around 3 o'clock, the kids are ready to get picked up off the bus. So Peter and I typically take the golf cart to the bus stop to pick them up from school, and they're always so excited to see us and to get home and get going on their homework and everything that all of us parents know so well. So we grab them off the bus, and they're so happy to be home, of course, but they love school. School has been amazing for them. They really do have a ton of friends, and they have had a great experience at school. So at 4 p.m., Peter and I decided to get away for a late, or I guess you could say early dinner, and we have someone watching all 3 kids, so we can do this, and it's so great to be able to spend that time together. And so I got a club soda with lime, which is my go-to at a restaurant. I love club soda with lime. And I ordered a burger with bacon and cheddar and blue cheese dressing. Really super simple. It's like one of those things that you can get at almost every restaurant, and it's really easy to stay on track to a low-carb, high-fat lifestyle that way. So today was a really great day, and all together the macros of the day were great. And so I had the 2 meals along with my fasted workout this morning and my fat coffee around 8 o'clock, and I did not snack in between my meals. So that's another big secret to my success, is I try not to snack. So I try to get all of the calories that I need from the meals that I'm eating. And so next I'm going to break down for you guys the macro balance of this day. It literally was a perfect day for keto, low carb, high fat lifestyle. And so I'm going to share with you all of that next. Every night right before bed, I make sure that I take magnesium. I found out and figured out that lacking the electrolytes or lacking these specific minerals can definitely cause issues in the future with this lifestyle, even just a low carb lifestyle, high fat lifestyle. And so before bed, I just take 250 milligrams, sometimes 400 milligrams, depends on what I have. But that really, really, really helps. So at the end of this routine, my daily routine, that's what I do. I just take magnesium. I try to get to bed early and get as much rest as I possibly can. And by early, I mean about 9:30 p.m. So that is part of the secret to my early morning routine, is that I get to bed really early so that I can start my day the right way and I don't miss my workout the next day. If you haven't seen my transformation video, go check that out next, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys.